Plastic, a revolutionary discovery turned environmental crisis. This inexpensive and easily shapeable material has allowed endless possibilities of creation. The durable and versatile properties of plastic make them exceptionally useful, and over the last 50 years, they have saturated our world and changed the way that we live. Unlike natural materials, plastics never fully biodegrade. They are persistent and now ubiquitous in our environment. The concern regarding plastic pollution in our oceans gained headway in the 1990s, but it wasn't until more recently that previously overlooked smaller plastics, known as microplastics, became an emerging contaminant of concern. Microplastics are plastic particles that are less than 5 millimeters in length. Primary microplastics are particles that are manufactured to be small, such as nurdles, and secondary microplastics are the result of the breaking down and weathering processes of larger plastic debris into smaller pieces. Microplastics may enter the marine environment directly from plastic litter or from stormwater runoff, where they can then settle into the sediment and persist. Because of their diverse sources, microplastics may exist in a wide variety of shapes and colours. These include fibres from clothing, fragments and films, and even the tiny plastic pieces that rub off your tyres of your car. Once microplastics enter the marine environment, small organisms such as white and brown shrimp may accidentally eat or breathe in these particles. Then, when humans eat shrimp, we could also be consuming these microplastics. Little is known about the pathway of microplastics in the marine environment, their impacts on ecosystems or organisms. Ingesting microplastics may cause toxicity in marine organisms, such as shrimp, causing reduced fitness and also causing mortality. This can have further implications on society, as commercial and recreational shrimp fisheries are crucial to the livelihood of many people. Therefore, it is critical to research the distribution, abundance, and types of microplastics along the South Carolina coast. For my thesis research, I have collected 132 sediment samples from estuaries along the South Carolina coast, as well as 300 white and brown shrimp. I am using separating techniques to extract the microplastics out of the sediment and shrimp, and then using powerful microscopes to look at the different shapes, sizes, types, and colours of microplastics that I find. The consequences of microplastics being in the environment, or what could happen if animals and humans consume these, is not very well known. Since plastic has such a crucial role in our lives, it is imperative to understand the prevalence and potential environmental risks of these emerging contaminants. Microplastics. They are just tiny pieces of plastic, but have led to so many big questions.